Alright, we did discover that the shingle we have is only 36 inches. The shingle that is a 39 3/8, which is basically considered a metric shingle, which they don't make anymore. So we have to take two shingles and cut them down so that they can fit, so that this will not leak. We're going to go ahead and continue now. Granular displacement whenever he's nailing that shingle. Here, that's one. Sorry. Okay. We've completed the replacement. There is some granular displacement. You can see it here. Same here on this one and on those. You can also see it across here and here, as well as over in here. Due to the large quantity of granular displacement, in order to do this correctly, we would have to replace shingles above, probably 3 to 4 shingles above it, so that it would prevent future damage and leaks. I did want to show where previous repairs have been done. One here, same thing. You can see this is the shingle that was replaced previously by someone else. You can see the damage that was caused to it during that repair. And there's also one down here. You can see damage to these shingles as well. Again, neither one of these were done correctly in order to prevent future damage. And of course, this one here is already starting to pop up.